Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a practical and super useful tutorial for you, how to add commas for thousands separation in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself staring at a long column of numbers and wishing they were easier to read, maybe some sales figures, inventory counts, or even population data, this tutorial will show you exactly how to make those numbers instantly more readable with just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you'll know how to neatly format your data so it's easier to interpret and present, whether you're working on financial reports or organizing simple lists. So let's jump right in. First things first, if you already have your data set up in your Google Sheet, you're all set. Just go ahead and open it up. If your data is in a whole column or maybe it's scattered across a few cells, don't worry, you can select just the parts you want to format. The easiest way is to click and drag your mouse across the cells holding your numeric data. You'll see the cells highlight as you go. Don't stress if you accidentally grab an extra cell, you can always adjust your selection. Make sure you highlight only the cells that contain the numbers you want to update, since formatting will apply to everything you've selected. Once that's done, move your attention to the top of your Google Sheets window. You're looking for the Format tab in the main menu. Click on Format and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This is kind of like your central hub for all things formatting in your spreadsheet. Find the number option in this drop-down. When you hover over it, another side menu will pop out, giving you all sorts of ways you can format your numbers. There are things like currency, percentages, and so on, but for right now, we're looking for even more control, so go ahead and select Custom Number Format towards the bottom of that list. Now this next step is the secret sauce. A window will pop up where you can enter your own custom formatting rule. This might look a little intimidating at first if you've never used it before, but it's actually quite straightforward and really powerful once you get the hang of it. In the text box provided, you'll want to type in hash. What this is telling Google Sheets is, hey, every time there's 1,000, add a comma as a separator. The hashtag stands for a digit, and the comma tells Sheets to separate every 3 digits. So instead of seeing something like 1 million, you'll see 1 million, which is so much easier to read, right? Imagine scrolling through a giant list of numbers. With commas in place, your data tells a much clearer story at a glance. Once you've entered hash, all that's left to do is hit apply. Give it a moment, especially if you're working with a big data set. Google Sheets will run through your selection and instantly reformat those numbers for you. Don't worry if nothing seems to happen right away or if you accidentally format the wrong cells. It's easy to undo and you can always try again. If your numbers include decimals, you can tweak the format even further to, say, 0 for 2 decimal places. Just a bonus tip if you want even more precision. And that's all there is to it. You've just made your data way more accessible, and it'll make a world of difference the next time you're analyzing trends or sharing reports with teammates. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop a comment down below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.